Hi, welcome back to Edison Mobile Estates this week. The update today is the concrete pad has been added to X-5. Let's go take a closer look. So what you're seeing here today is what they've created is this gravel ramp because the house is getting ready to be placed on the lot. So we've passed all the inspections. The concrete was poured for the pad, and now they're getting ready to angle the house backwards up this street, which is a one-way, onto the location. So let's take a look up close. So here's the concrete pad that will go along the side of the house, and as you can see, the piers have been set inside the concrete slab that the house sits on. The reason we do it in this way is to create a vapor barrier for the earth and protect the house underneath. And that's what you'll see is with the water, the sewer, and the electric is in the back. So now we'll do the rest of the yard. We'll do the connections. There's like a 38-point checklist that we'll follow now once the house is added to the actual location. So it takes a lot, as you can see, a lot of preparation to get the foundation set for the house. And then there's a 38 checkpoint list. So things are on it are adding the sewer, the water, the electric, the air conditioning, huge list. And all along we'll have inspections from wonderful people at Edison Zoning and Building. So what else do I want to tell you? We'll have here the shed that'll be coming, and then we'll have to finish the fencing. The fencing was added I think a year ago, and it's much taller now, and the reason it's missing there is the house that was here before was so long, and it was placed so many years ago before we had our setbacks. So that house extended beyond the fence and was actually on the property that belongs to someone else. So now that house was removed, and we'll continue the fencing and give this house a nice perimeter. It's a wonderful location. We're here in Edison Mobile Estates. We're on Route 1 on US Highway 1 in Edison, New Jersey. Got great location, great schools, easy access to, you listen to it, it's very quiet back here, and this is probably one of the most private lots that we have available. So email me, info@dolanhomes.com, and we'll start the process. The intake process includes first receiving the informational email that tells you who we are and what we're about, and the second step will be asking us for the 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then we'll go over those with you, and if you meet our minimum standards or criteria, we can move on to scheduling a tour of this house once it arrives on location. So thank you again, and please like and subscribe, hit that little bell, and you'll get notifications every time we add another video. And in the meantime, check out our website at myhomeinedison.com. Thank you again.